Are you looking for a home in Sun City, Texas that's perfect for multi-generational living? Hi, I'm Bob Agater with Rug Realty, and I would like to show you an ideal residence that offers the perfect blend of function and elegance in a single-story home. Nestled on a wooded lot, this 2,828 square foot residence features 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The home is designed to satisfy both everyday living and entertaining with ease. As you enter, you'll find an open floor plan with multiple living and dining areas, accentuated with decorative moldings. The kitchen is appointed with granite countertops, a gas cooktop, a built-in oven and microwave, and abundant cabinetry. The 2 primary bedrooms offer flexibility for guests or multi-generational living, each with its own private bath. Other features include a cozy family room fireplace, luxury vinyl flooring, and an expansive window offering views of the lush greenbelt. Step outside to a wraparound screen porch, perfect for outdoor dining or relaxing year-round. The backyard is fenced with wrought iron and backs up to a greenbelt space, offering both privacy and natural ambiance. The home lies within Sun City, a 55-plus community, making it ideal for those seeking an active adult lifestyle while still accommodating visiting family and friends. Hey, let's take a look. Would you like to view this home or take a tour of Sun City? Please feel free to contact me by phone, text, or email, and I'll be happy to provide you with a tour of both. I can also tell you about a unique opportunity to stay in a new, beautiful, fully furnished Sun City home for up to 3 days with access to a golf cart and all the amenities, allowing you to experience this great community. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for visiting, and I hope to see you soon. Bye now.